What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and flying that Syma X9 fly car just had me really feeling like I wanted to fly this JXD flying car. And so I brought it out here and I figured I might as well show it to you guys while I got it out here. This is it here, the JXD flying car. Pretty awesome looking car. I really like this one a lot more than I like the Syma X9. This one have headlights up front. These are really large headlights there that shine really nicely at night. And we have red ones in the rear. A really nice detail on it. Reminds me of the Mark V from Speed Racer. All my old heads out there. Really showing my age with that one. It looks like the Mark V from Speed Racer. But anyhow, it's called the Cyclone. You see that Cyclone back there, had that on the packaging as well. And pretty awesome little flyer. You can go seamlessly from flying to driving, or driving to flying with this one. It does have a little notch on the bottom there. It's bang bang steering, no proportional steering, but it does have that there to straighten it out if it's like going to the side. You guys are familiar with that, with the toy grade cars or whatnot, how they do with that little dial back there underneath. That's what that is. And I stuck a battery in here that didn't belong. I think it came with a 550 milliamp hour battery. I think this is maybe a 380 or 400 at the most. But it does work. I did test it to make sure that I don't come out here and it start flashing on me right away like the other one did. So yeah, let's get this guy up in the air. Happy to say that this one is deviation compatible. It is deviated the protocol. It's on the YD717 protocol. In other words, you can fly this with a jumper multi-protocol transmitter if you have one. So let's get it up in the air. On and off switches on the bottom. There are those lights. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty bright out here right now. Let's see, we might start off driving. I got it set up on a switch for driving. So there we are. It works better on a smooth surface because of how small the tires are. This is a bumpy surface here, so not that good rolling around on this surface here. But you hit a switch and it takes off into the air. Really deep pitch on it because it's flying with multi-protocol transmitter. So I gotta be careful. Usually I limit the pitch. Check it out. The pitch is really deep on it. So I gotta be careful with it. It does do crazy funnel, but I gotta watch it'll go straight to the ground with all this pitch here. I didn't set my pitch up the way it needs to be. Let's try to get on the right side of the sun. What's up, bro? Got the guy in the tractor beeping at me there. Got to be careful. This thing does build up some momentum. It does build up some momentum from how heavy it is. So you got to be ready to pull back on it quick. Sheesh. It's really a handful flying it with deviation if you don't limit the pitch and the roll. It's really deep. It has a pretty decent yaw rate. Let's look at the yaw rate. That's the yaw rate. Check it out. Let me try to do some funnels. Oh, it's going to go down if I do funnels. If I do them too deep, it'll go down. Oh, let's try a flip. Let's see if I have flips set up. Oh, there we go. So it does do flips in all directions. I think it'll do a flip while moving forward, but I'm afraid how heavy this thing is. Yeah, this is one of my favorite ones. I don't want anything to happen to this thing. You can't get them anymore. You can get the Syma X9 still. It does bank nice and everything, but with the pitch so high, I gotta be careful because it'll go down. So there you go. There goes some banking right there with it. And the lights do flash to let you know when it's going in LVC and all. So this battery is pretty good. It's holding this guy up in the air, holding out, flying this. Maybe I should have flown the X9 with this battery. Let's see if we can do some more flips still. Yep, we're still doing flips and it's going down. This one the same deal. Once it doesn't take off anymore, you still can roll around on the ground for a little while. Let's try to land it and go into driving. Yeah, this one isn't that good out on a rocky surface. It's awesome on a smooth floor though. You have like a hardwood floor and a gym that you can get access to fly this thing and drive it around. Man, can't get my funnels off, man. Can barely get my funnel turns off, my turning. It does fly heavy if you have too much pitch on it. Let me see, maybe I can just land it. Yeah, I'll land it and go in the transmitter real quick. And just limit the aileron. Let's see, we'll turn it down. Oop, you don't want to get ran over. Yeah, run you right over out here, man. It happened to me before. We're gonna bring the elevator down to maybe 40. And we're gonna bring aileron down to 35. Let's try that out. Okay, that helped out a lot. So now I got a little more control with the turns and all, and banking. It's not going to be too much on the pitch for me. is reaching the end of the battery though. Yeah, we're reaching the low end of the battery now. And it seems like it keeps the attitude that it has when the battery is running low. So we're flashing now, check it out, and it's going down immediately. So the lights are flashing. Let's see if we can drive it around. Yep, but it's no fun driving it around on this rocky surface here with these small wheels on it. So we're just going to end the video with that. Pretty awesome little flyer here. Very rare. I would say grab one if you can get it somewhere, maybe on eBay, somebody's selling one maybe. But this is the JXD Flying Car, the Cyclone. Thanks for watching.